The 2027 Mitsubishi Fuso luxury motorhome camper is turning heads for one big reason: it blends heavy-duty truck capability with premium RV comfort in a way very few motorhomes can. Built on the rugged Fuso platform, this luxury camper is designed for travelers who want long-distance reliability, off-grid freedom, and high-end living all in one package. At first glance, the exterior immediately gives off an expedition-style presence. The tall stance, muscular body lines, massive windshield, and futuristic LED lighting make it look more like a luxury exploration vehicle than a traditional camper. Mitsubishi Fuso has clearly focused on combining modern aerodynamics with practical camper functionality. The body features integrated storage compartments, electric side steps, panoramic windows, and a sleek two-tone finish that gives it a premium road presence whether parked at a campsite or cruising on the highway. Under the hood, the 2027 model is expected to feature an upgraded turbo-diesel powertrain paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The focus here is not raw speed but effortless torque and long-distance endurance. Thanks to the commercial-grade Fuso chassis, this motorhome can comfortably handle steep mountain roads, rough terrain, and heavy loads without feeling stressed. The suspension setup has also been refined for smoother highway comfort, reducing body roll and improving ride quality compared to older truck-based campers. One of the biggest highlights is fuel efficiency for its size. Mitsubishi Fuso has reportedly improved engine management and lightweight construction techniques, allowing the camper to travel longer distances with fewer fuel stops. For travelers planning cross-country adventures, that's a major advantage. Inside is where this motorhome truly separates itself from ordinary RVs. The cabin feels closer to a luxury apartment than a camping vehicle. Premium leather seating, soft ambient lighting, wood-style finishes, and large digital displays create an upscale atmosphere. The cockpit is modern and driver-focused, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster, advanced navigation system, wireless smartphone connectivity, and multiple camera views for easier parking and maneuvering. The living area is designed to maximize both comfort and space. There's a spacious lounge with convertible seating, a smart entertainment system, and panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light. The kitchen comes fully equipped with an induction cooktop, microwave oven, refrigerator, The camper is expected to include solar charging integration, lithium battery systems, smart climate control, Wi-Fi connectivity, and app-based controls for lighting, water levels, and security systems. This means travelers can monitor and control many vehicle functions directly from a smartphone. Safety has also been upgraded significantly. Mitsubishi Fuso is adding adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, emergency braking assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras. Considering the size of this luxury motorhome, these features can make driving far less intimidating for first-time RV owners. Another strong selling point is customization. Buyers may be able to choose different interior layouts, off-road packages, luxury furniture upgrades, and even roof-mounted observation decks depending on the market. This flexibility allows the camper to suit solo travelers, families, or full-time digital nomads. What makes the 2027 Mitsubishi Fuso luxury motorhome especially appealing is its balance. It offers the toughness of a commercial truck, the comfort of a luxury home, and the freedom of a true adventure vehicle. Whether you're planning weekend escapes, long-term road trips, or full-time van life, this camper is designed to handle almost everything while keeping passengers comfortable and connected. For people who love exploring without sacrificing luxury, this might become one of the most exciting motorhome releases of the year.